Schüler. Heute lernen wir von Arbeitsbuch Wir. So Wir is nothing but a Hello Deutsch one. Okay. So let's learn the Lektion 1 Grammatik. Lektion 1 Kursbuch we have already learned. Now das Haus von Familie Wiegel. The house of family Wiegel. Now let's see what they are giving here in the first question. Wie heißen die Zimmer? So what these all rooms are called as? So they have given here room 1, 2 till 6. Okay, 6 rooms they have given, and you have to write the what we call to this rooms. Okay, now the first one I will solve for you. So this is number 1. This is your living room. Okay, so that we called as das Wohnzimmer. The W is capital. The first letter of noun is always capital. Okay, so likewise you have to find out all the room names, and that you have to write down here. Okay, now let's come to the next question. Was passt zusammen? What matches together? Now see, they have given here personal pronoun er, sie, es. Okay, so you know er means er is always a masculine. Z is feminine, which is she, and S is it. So all the nouns which are having article there are having the personal pronoun er. All the nouns which the article the has the personal pronoun z, and all the nouns with article das, it has the personal pronoun s. So one example they have already given here. Their upstairs room, for that we take the personal pronoun er. Upstairs room is your store room. Okay. So like this solve the example. Now let's come to the dry. Ergänze der, die, das oder er, es, sie. Okay. So all these things you have to use here. Now let's see first how to use. First example I will solve for you. Wie is dash Wohnzimmer? How is the living room? Okay, how is the living room? So Wohnzimmer का article है das. Just a second. Its article is das, so you have to write here das. Okay, remember all the nouns like Wohnzimmer, Schlafzimmer. Zimmer is always das. Dash is gemütlich. Gemütlich is cozy, comfortable. Now Wohnzimmer is das hai, so for das we use the personal pronoun s. Okay, in the previous question itself we have learned. So like this you have to solve. In this column you have to write all the personal pronoun which are appropriate to these nouns, and here you are supposed to write all the articles. Now let's come to the next Frage. Frage 4. Suchen und finden. Here sind 9 Wörter versteckt. Notiere die Wörter mit dem Artikel. 9 words are hidden here. You have to find out them and you have to write them with the article. Das Bett, das Sofa. So all the words you have to find out and you have to note down here. Now let's come to the Frage 5. Was ist das? Antworte im Beispiel. What is that? You have to answer in the given example. See, the first one they are telling ein Sofa. So they are referring this photo. Is that a sofa? No, na. So what you have to write here? Nein, kein Sofa, ein Tisch. Now remember, Sofa is das Sofa. Sofa das hai. That's why we are using ein, and the negation we are using kein. It's not a sofa, it's a tish. So tish का original article है their tish. That's why हमने यहाँ पे use किया ein tish. Okay. So now how to write for the lamp? So they are asking eine Dusche, is that a shower? So what you have to write? No. So you have to write here nein, comma, keine Dusche. So why I am writing keine? Because it is eine Dusche. So what is it? It is a lamp. It is a lamp. So after that I have to write eine Lampe. It's a lamp. So if you open your course book lesson, same lesson, you will get article of all these furniture items. Okay. So complete the remaining page 30. Now let's see. Frage 6. Antworten negative. You have to answer the negatively. Means the first they are asking, is there tisch praktisch? Means is the table practical to use or easy to use? You have to say nein. Er is nicht praktisch. So you have to put here the negation nicht. And why we have used here? See, here we have used er. As you know, their tisch masculine hai, so we have to use the personal pronoun er. So it is not a practical. Now, if you have seen here we are using kein as a negation, and same here we are using the negation kein, and here we are using nicht. So why that difference? Remember students, so if you are talking about any negation of any noun means jiska first letter is always capital, so for that we use kein. Okay, and if there is a no noun which you have to negate, it is not useful, it is not practical, it is not beautiful, so for that we use nicht. And if you are talking about it is not a bottle, it is not a door, that time we use kein or keine depending upon the article of the noun. Okay, so same you have to write. The second one I will tell you orally. Is the lampe modern? Is the lamp modern? So 9 dash ist nicht modern. Now what you have to write here, as it is the lampe feminine hai, so you are supposed to write here z. Okay, so same do for the rest of the things. Praktisch means practical to use, modern is modern, bequem means comfortable, gross means big, schön is beautiful, and klein is small. So the noun, the meaning of the adjective I told, you are supposed to write down those in your Arbeits book. Now the same rule I have explained you just now for kein and keine, which same I have written here. See this rule. When to use nicht? So what is the rule? If after the blank there is a no noun, means blank ke baad if there is a no noun, then we use nicht. And when to use kein? If after the blank there is masculine or neutral noun, means the noun which has article there or das, that time we use kein. And when to use keine? If after the blank there is feminine or plural noun, the noun which has the article the, that time we use keine. Okay, now same one more example they are asking here. Nicht oder keine. Now see, I have solved some examples for you. The first one, das ist kein Tisch. As Tisch is their Tisch, I am using kein. Now see the fourth example. Das ist keine Lampe. Lampe's article is the, so I have used keine. So now Frage 8. Nicht, sondern oder keine, sonder. Okay, sondern, the meaning you have to write down there means rather. So let's see the first example, what they are saying. Was ist das? Ein Sofa. What is that? A sofa. So answer is Nein, das ist kein Sofa. No, that is not a sofa. Sofa das hai, that's why we have used here kein. Okay. Sondern, now rather it is what? It is a bed. So what you will write? Sondern ein Bett. A bed. Okay. Now see that next one. Is the kitchen gross? Now they have not drawn here a picture of a kitchen. They are asking, is the kitchen big? So answer is no, and in reality it is small. So how you will write? 9. Z is nicht gross. Now students, why we have used here nicht? As gross is not a noun, it's an adjective. That's why we have used nicht. 9. Z is nicht gross, comma, rather it is small. So you have to write there, sondern klein. This you have to write after gross. Okay, rather it is small. So like this you are supposed to solve. So pay attention whether you are talking about a noun or a adjective. Frage 9. Suchen und finden. Here sind 10 Gegenstände versteckt. So 10 items are hidden here. Notiere sie mit dem Artikel. You have to write down those with the article. Denk an die Großbuchstaben. So you always think of the first big letter. Noun's first letter is always a big. One I will, let's find out for you. First one, see this. Lampe. That is lamp, which you are supposed to write down here. Okay, same, find out the 10 hidden nouns and write down them with the articles. Now Frage 10 is with the CD, which we are not going to do here. Frage 11 we will do now. So what is Frage 11? They are saying und oder aber. Und का meaning है and. Oder means or, and aber means but. So either you have to use and or but. Now let's see some examples. First one. Das Wohnzimmer is groß. The living room is big. Dash gemütlich. So gross and gemütlich both are the positive adjectives. So here, that's why we will put here und. The living room is big and cozy. Now see the second example. Their upstairs room is praktisch dash nützlich. Practice means practical to use and nützlich matlab useful. So both are again positive adjectives hai. Okay, so we will again use und. Now I will tell you some one negative example ka, fifth wala. See, Sean is beautiful and Klein is small. Both are the negative. One is negative. See, positive is Sean, beautiful, and the negative adjective is Klein. Okay, so their Schrank is shown, aber klein. The cupboard is beautiful but small. Okay, so when you find the negative negative adjective, you have to use aber. Okay, if both are positive, then you have to use und. Okay, so solve the remaining one. We will discuss in the class. Now Frage solve, stell Fragen, that is make the question. So see, eins, fear and sechs are the yes no kind of questions. They are starting with yes or no. So for this kind of question, your question should start with verb. Verb has to be at first position. Okay, remember this rule. Let's see one example. Sixth wala. What they are saying? Yeah, air is sehr gross. Yes, it is very big. So what will be your question? Starting with verb. Ist air gross? Is it big? So instead of air, you can use anything else. Ist Abstellraum gross? Abstellraum is there hai, that's why I have used instead of air. But you can write air also. Is it big? So answer is yeah, it is big, very big. Now see the question number 2, 3 und 5. They are not starting with yes no kind of Yes or no? So they are the simple zats which we call simple sentences, which we called Aussage zats, which are the simple sentences. For this, your question always start with a V-Frage. That is the WH question. Has to be at first place. So let's solve one. Let's solve the fifth one. Z is klein. That is, or she is small. So what will be your question? How is she? So how के लिए question है V. V is Z. Now instead of Z you can write Kusha also, kitchen. How is the kitchen? It is small. Okay. So that will be a answer, like question for fifth one. Now students, same rest you have to solve. We will be discussing in the class. Let's solve the Frage 13. Der die das oder eine. Now remember students, if we are talking about some definite thing, then we use definite article. Definite thing means if I am talking about the blue car, then I have to use das blaue Auto. If I am talking about a general car, then I will say ein Auto. So this you must understand when to use das and when means der die das, or when to use ein or eine. Let's solve. Dash House von Familie Wiegel is groß und schön. Now you are talking about the house of someone special, Family Wiegel. So here it will come das Haus. House ka article is das. So for this you must know the article of nouns. Now see this. Es hat dash Wohnzimmer. Now Wohnzimmer is a living room. You are not talking about a particular room. So no adjective is used for that. So es hat ein Wohnzimmer, because Wohnzimmer's article is das. That's why I have written ein. So what you do, first thing students, all the nouns after blank you write its article below that. So it will be easy for you to find out whether you have to use definite article or indefinite article. Okay. Solve this. We will be discussing in the class. Next. Second last question we will do. Vierzehn. Was passt zusammen? What matches together? So one example I will solve for you. Der Abstellraum means the storeroom. The rest you can find only 3 are there. So which article and which ending is matches to this thing, that you have to write down here. Okay. Now let's do the last question. What they are asking. Alles falsch. Everything is given wrong. Schreib die Wörter richtig. So they have given here all the wrong words, spellings, and you have to write here the correct spelling. One I will write for you. For example, das Wohnzimmer, spelling is wrong, so you have to write here das Wohnzimmer. Okay, so same you do for the rest of the things students, and the answers we will be discussing in the class. Okay, so we will meet in our next video. Till then, choose.